This is a pinch of salt. It's so good. The fat one. He doesn't like matcha. Hello everybody, it's Sarah here, and today I'm going to my friends for the last day of the year and celebrating New Year and making matcha rolls. To be honest, I'm more excited about the matcha rolls than the New Year itself. So let's see how today is going and how the matcha rolls are going to be. I hope they turn well. I don't think we will be able to eat them tonight, but maybe for tomorrow morning. Oh, and by the way, I'm going to wear this on top of this. So I'm going with gray and brown somehow. Let's go. People have already started to do the fireworks. I mean, they started from last night or something. And I don't know if you hear it or not, but I hear it. So the most important thing is the strawberries, which go on the top of the rolls. These are whipped cream. I have brought 2 matchas. These are the matchas, and I think one of them is enough, but just for the reasons. This one is not matcha, like it is a mixture of matcha and green tea, which I think is good if you want to put it on the top of the rolls or any kind of sweets. Oil and flour and sugar. These are all the things that we need. So let's go cooking. Oh my god, this one becomes bigger and smaller. Cool. And we need water. I'm not sure how to cover this one with butter, but it's what I can do, so I think I took a lot of butter. I try to put a little bit of it also on the paper. To the people who are going to eat this and think that it's so disgusting, my hands are clean. Recently I've also started Japanese class. It's been almost a month, and to be honest, I really like it. Like my teacher was like, do you want to learn kanji as well, or you want to focus on the conversation part? And I was like, no, I want to learn kanji. I think the most beautiful part of Japanese, not the most beautiful part, but one of the most beautiful parts of Japanese language is the kanji. The way you can kind of guess the meaning out of the shape of them. I mean the simple ones, not the complicated ones. Is a really cool concept to me, and although it's difficult to remember how to write all of them, I really like to learn more. I think if you want to be like a Japanese person and be able to read, like for example, a book or a newspaper, you have to be able to read 3,000 kanjis. I think it's not important to write them because nowadays you can just use Romaji, which is like using English alphabet, and then your laptop or your smartphone will turn it to the kanji, so you don't need to know how to write it, but still you need to read them. And now with the hands, which are full of butter, I wash them. To be honest, I'm not that good at baking or cooking. This recipe is something that my friend gave me. This is how I buttered it. I think it has to be somehow locked. But yeah, this is how it is. Now, I have to separate the white and the yolk. Oh my god, yes. I think the shell gone to the shell was inside. I mean, it has calcium. Second one, I know how to do it. The third one, fourth one, last one. The thing that recently I say so much is gutta. Somehow I started learning Japanese, and from the second session, I try to make everything which is English into Japanese, and basically you can do it by just some specific changes, and I change good to gutta. Now I have to add 50 grams of sugar to this one, which I'm not sure how much is 50 grams of sugar. Let's ask ChatGPT. Chatto. The thing about Japan is I think they say ChatGPT, and recently I think they have changed it to, I really don't know, but they make everything so short. I think ChatGPT is Chappu, something like that. Okay, 4 tablespoons of sugar. 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. This one is a 4th one. And to this one, 100 grams of sugar, some oil, a little bit of salt. This is a pinch of salt. So now I have to whisk it. So it turns out to be like this. It doesn't fall down. Yes. This one now. I have to add the matcha, the baking powder, and the flour. I just added 2 spoons of matcha, and it's so green now. It's getting lighter.
And after a long wait in front of the oven, we have after we had this beautiful matcha cake, we had to roll it when it was warm and then let it cool down for it a while. And do you hear the fireworks? You cannot see them, but you can hear them.
Give me food. Say hi to the camera. He doesn't like matcha. Would you rather your chicken with tomato or without tomato?
With tomato. Concept.
When we were waiting for the matcha cake to cool down, the food that my friend cooked was ready and I wanted to try it. I mean, eat it, not just try it. And oh my god, it was perfect. It was Persian food. And if you want the recipe, I can show it to you later in another video. Just comment down below if you like to know how it is cooked. But just see how yummy and delicious it is.
It's so good.
And after putting the cream in the cake and let it cool down, it was time to put those beautiful strawberries on top of it. Oh my god, just look at how beautiful it is, and I hope you could smell it. The smell was amazing. Like, if you like matcha, you have to make it. You will love it. So after putting the strawberries, we put the roll in the fridge for a night, and we had it for breakfast in the morning. So it's morning. I think it's around 8 a.m. the first day of January. I'm going to start the year with a matcha cake. Let's go for it.